What's up, party people? Ready for a wild ride? Today, we're unlocking the hidden talents of lovebirds in the AI feathered comedy show. Forget stand-up. These birds are stand-out funny. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's soar into a world of winged wittiness. Are you prepared for a bird-brained comedy extravaganza? Let the feathers fly. But Ben, nosy neighbors or lovebirds are naturally curious and friendly. They might as well be your new next-door gossip columnists, always interested in everyone's business. Top 9. Jealous pet. When other animals or people approach you, lovebirds can get a bit possessive. It's like having a personal bodyguard that says, "Hey, this one's mine." Top 8. Dancing dynamos. Some lovebirds love to dance. You might catch them swaying to the rhythm of random sounds, putting on a little waltz show. Top 7. Show-offs. Even if you're not playing with them, lovebirds might attempt to impress you. They'll bring tiny bits of paper, showcasing their skills with a proud "look at me." Top 6. Early birds. Lovebirds are early risers and loud about it. Forget an alarm clock. They'll be your wake-up call saying, "Rise and shine, buddy." We're top 5. Shadow chasers. Once you let them out of their cage, some lovebirds become instant shadows. Wherever you go, they go like Secret Service agents on a mission. Top 4. Parental instincts. Lovebirds are known for their excellent parenting skills, even if they're not real parents. Sometimes they mimic caring for their toys or eggs with utmost seriousness. Top 3. Sweet talkers. Many lovebirds enjoy mimicking sounds or even talking. You might hear an "I love you" or other favorite phrases from your feathery friend. Top 2. Drama kings and queens. Some lovebirds have a flair for drama. You might catch them looking melancholic or acting sad without any apparent reason. Top 1. Attention lovers. One of the most remarkable lovebird traits is their love for attention. If you ignore them, they might get noisy or playful, bringing toys or dancing to grab your focus. Well, wasn't that a feather-filled fiesta of fun? I hope those lovebirds brought a smile to your face. If you enjoyed our laugh-packed adventure into the world of winged comedians, don't forget to hit the like button. It's the least you can do for our hilarious feathered friends. And of course, subscribe for more avian amusement. If you want a daily dose of laughter, ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Thanks for joining the Lovebird Comedy Show. Until next time, keep the laughter soaring, and remember, the only thing better than one low bird joke is a flock of them. Catch you later, feather enthusiasts.